So this question paper is completely in the pattern of your board sample paper which CBSE has given. Now valid arithmetic operators. So here you can see valid arithmetic operators are single plus sign, minus sign, single slash, double slash, two stars, single star, then percent sign. So these all are your valid arithmetic operators. And is a logical operator, this is a relational operator, and this is a assignment operator. So in question paper, if you will get that valid logical operator, now which will be your answer? Switch on your mics and give the answers. If it is logical operator, then you will write type and. If it is question, it is given that valid relational operator, then less than equals to sign. Valid assignment operator, you will write double slash equals to. Clear? Now two arithmetic operators are given here. Now write the type of tokens from the following. Now AND is a logical operator. Name of student is identifier or variable. Pass is a keyword, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is a constant or literals. Okay, you can write any one. Like type of token it is written, so better you write literal and identifier. Don't write variable. Next, name the Python library modules which need to be imported to invoke the following. Sine, cos, all the mathematical you need, math. For random, randint, rand, rand range, you will write random. For array, arange, linspace, you will write numpy. For mean, mode, median, you will write statistics. So these which you have to import, that you have to write all the Python library modules. Now next is error. Now here in Google form the line numbers will be given to you. Line 1, line 2, line 3. So which line is having error, that will be asked, and what will be the corrected one, that will be asked. So in this case you can see it is underlined. So whichever corrections have been made. So here 2 equals to 130 it should be. So this was wrong. 130 equals to 2 was wrong. Then the second one was after for a block you have to make, and you have to write colon here. So for block without colon was given here, without colon. Next, if should be in small letter. So here you can see if was in capital letter. Then the next error was else e should be in small letter with a colon. Clear? So these are your corrections, 4 corrections, 1, 2, 3, 4, half of marks each, 2 marks correction. Next is your output. The program will be given to you. You have to select or type the output here. Now these questions also are there in your question paper, output questions. Normally string output, one question will be there, and using function it will be there. So James @007 is written. You can see here length m is empty. If it is uppercase, you will convert it into lower. If it is alphabet and not uppercase, you will convert it into upper. And the others, that is the numeric and all the others, you will convert it into PP. So what will be the answer? James in capital, then PP. For each digit also you have to write 1 PP. So how many @2 PPs will be there? Then for 0 2 pp, फिर again for 0 2 pp, then for 7 again 2 pp. Clear? So James will be in capital, and here for each digit and special character you have to write 2 capital P's. So answer you have to type here. Answer will be your James in capital, and then capital PP, 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 P. So this will be your answer. Now next question is write the output of the following code. Now when you are printing R and S, before that R value was 250, S was 200. Then change R is 250, S is 200, so P will be 250 and Q will be 200. So here 250 plus 200 is 450. 450 minus 200 will be 250. So P will be 450, Q will be 250. You print here 450 hash 250. Now it is returning P, that is 450. So P will be given to R. Now R will be 450, S will remain 200. So the next line it will print 450 hash 200. Here. Then if it is calling, again it will go here with the value of S. So S will be given, 200 will be given to P. So this will be 200 and this will be 130. 200 plus 130 will be 330. 330 minus 130 will be 200. Clear? So here 330 hash 200 will be printed. Output is not printed here. You can check your output now, as in you can execute it and you can check it. So what are your outputs? The first one was 250 plus 200. So first one was 450 hash. Then value of Q was 450 minus 200. So it was 250. Second line, value of P was passed, 450 was passed to R. So R was 450 hash and S was your 200. Then the third line, 200 was passed and by default 130. So 200 plus 130, P was 330 hash and Q was 330 minus 130, 200. So this is your answer. You have to write this answer, or the option will be there. You have to select this answer. Next, what possible outputs are expected to be displayed on screen at the time of execution of the program from the following? Also specify the maximum value that can be assigned to each of the variables from and to. Now you see the maximum value, since random you are using, so maximum value will be 3 of from, and 2 will have the maximum value 4. So you will write there the maximum value of from is 3 and of 2 is 4. Now next is the possible outputs. So you will check the possible outputs for k in range. Now from it is starting. So from can be 1, 2, 3 and 2 can be 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, that is 3, 4, 5. Clear? 3, 4, 5. So if it starts from 1, then like this. Now the position you have to start from 1, so 0 will not be taken anywhere. So 20 you will not take. And how many times the loop will be executed? If it is from 1 to 5, then 4 times and less. So maximum it will be 4 times and minimum it will be 1 to 2 once. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, twice. So minimum it will be twice, maximum it will be 4 times. In between any number of values. Now option is given, you have to select from these. So 2 methods are there, you can solve it and select it. Second method is you can simply reject it. See, the first one 10 is given, whereas 10 is not present in my array. So first one is rejected. Yeah. Third one 70 is given. Now 70 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the last value is 5, then till 4 it will be executed. So 70 it will never be taken. So all are containing 70. So all these are wrong. 1 is wrong, 3 is wrong, 4 is wrong. Now check the second one. Second one 30, 40, 50. So the index value is 1, 2 and 3. Now from can be from 1 to 3. So if it is from 1, it is correct. 2 can be from 2 to 4, that is 2, 3, 4. That means 3 to 5. So 3, 4, 5. Now if it is 1 to 3, two values, 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 4. So that is being executed. That's why 30, 40, 50 is the correct answer. So second one is the correct answer. You can mention here the answers. Answers you can mention here. The second one is the correct answer. It will be in small letter. And what is your answer? 30 hash, 40 hash, and 50 hash. This is your correct answer. Next, the maximum value they have asked. So maximum value of from. Now from is in capital letter. Of from is, now maximum value you have calculated here, it was 3. So 3 you will write, and maximum value of 2 is, so this maximum value of 2. Now 2 it was 4, so here you will write 4. Next, what do you understand by the term selection? Selection, it is another way to selecting any one thing out of many. If statements and its types are part of it. Selection statements, we use if for selecting any particular statement. Like suppose I have asked you to give the grades as per the criteria. So using if, you are selecting which grade is to be given. So selecting, we use if syntax to do the selection work, and after if the condition is there, if the condition is true, it will execute. So selection is used to select one out of many. So using if and elif, you can do your selections. Next, which is the correct form of declaration of dictionary? Dictionary, you know, curly braces there. So first one will be the correct answer. If they ask you tuple, then the second one. If they ask you list, then none of the following. List cannot have this key values. So in list, none of the following will be there. Identify the valid declaration of L. Now here you can see it is in square bracket with heterogeneous data. So the answer will be list. If it is in round bracket, you will write the answer as tuple. If it is in curly brace with key and values, the answer will be your dictionary. So this question, these all are of board exams. The previous exams or the sample papers has been shared. Now write the output of the following Python code. Now these questions will come of 11th class in this monthly test. This global and local will be asked. I will explain in detail. First let me show you which all, because your text file questions, binary file questions, and CSV file questions are also there. How it is asked, that I will show you. Now in text file, this text file questions are there. To read lines from a text file and display those words which have more than 10 characters. Can anybody tell me the answer of this? Now write a function. So how you will write a function? You have to write using def. So I will write a function and you have to display those words which has 10 characters and more. So first here I am writing. Now you have to display those words which has 10 characters and more. For displaying, what you have to do, you have to open the file. So I will write the question at the beginning. Here hash display words containing, display words with 10 characters and more. This will be your question. Now how you will write the answer? You only have to write the function here. So you will write here display and then F open The name of the file will be given to you in your question paper. So you just see the question paper here. It was show words. No, this was lesson.txt. Acha, name of the function was show words. So you cannot write display there. You have to write this only what is given here. So show words only you have to write here. You cannot write display. So in the answer also you have to write show words. Now next was your open. In open, the file name was lesson.txt. So the same thing you will write here, lesson.txt in double quotes. Now for showing the words we require to open in read mode, and it is a text file, so only R you have to write. Next will be words read you will do. So all the paragraph you will read it. F.read function I will use here. It will read all the, yes, it will read all. After this you have to make it into words. So words will be equal to, directly also if you want to make it here only split you could have written. I can write here p.split. Two methods are there. Suppose words you have to write. So here I am taking the words and here only I am writing dot split. This is one method. So the paragraph will be split into words. Now one by words, one word you take it. So for I in words, it will take one by one, and then you will check if len of I is greater than equals to 10, then print I. Only this much. Print the words which are more than, whose length is more than 10, more than equal to 10. Yes. Now remember to close open file and close file, because half of mark step marking is there. So open file and close file, this you have to remember. Now you can execute and you can see whether it is getting executed or not. Suppose a string I have taken here, I am not asking the user. There was inventory. Now we have to check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now only 1 is more than 10. So now I will call and I will pass this. Now this S I have to write in lesson.txt, then only it will show. So what I will do, I will write in the file first, and for that I have used append, and I am to write f.write and you have to write S. So f.write and you will write the string. So it is written. Now f.close. So this is over, writing work is over. Now you will call your function, that is show words, you will call it. So you can simply copy paste it from here. Now in exam you will be asked, in most of the questions it is written that write the call statement also. For call statement also they have kept marks. So better whatever question is written, the answer you will write and then you will call also in copy, answer copy. Because for calling also marks is given. In sample paper I was seeing question was write a function. Here in question it was given write a function, and the students have written only this function, and they have given 1 marks for calling also. In marking scheme they have given. So better after writing the function you call also and execute. Call also this. Now you can see there was, this was your file and it is showing only those words which are more than 10. There are 10 characters which contains more than 10 characters, only that it is showing. Now the next question, so this will be coming text file. Write a function in Python to count the number of lines in a text file which is starting with an alphabet T. So you will take the lines and one by one you will check it which starts with alphabet T. So this also you can write it here. How to do it? We will use read lines, and then for I will use here. Why it showed there here? Acha. Now look here what is happening. When I am adding, appending means it is adding. So once when I executed, it was showing inventory 1, 2, 3. But second time when I am executing, after this line, it is showing again there because it is appending here. Appending means this line, it is adding at the end. Now when you will add without space at the end, then what will happen? Like you can see your string, your file also. If you want to see, you can print your file and you can see it. So what is happening there is getting attached to the previous statement, and this word is becoming more than 10 and it is showing here. Now already it has printed 3 times. Now if I change it, it is appending actually. So I am changing and I am adding. Now these, after this adding, I have given now one space. Now one space I have given means now when I will keep on doing, now here this space it will take, it will not add there, so it will not be more than. So after inventory 1, 2, 3, since I haven't given a space, it was showing there along with it. So it was appending, adding, and it was showing there. Now only one word is there which is more than 10. Now anytime you can execute it, run it, it will show only inventory 1, 2, 3. Again if I tell 2 times, because it is appending, so whenever it is appending, what will happen? It will keep on adding and it will be showing. So let us do the next question. Our next question was display the lines, count the number of lines starting with T. This is our next question. So here hash count and display lines starting with T. Now it can be small t, it can be capital T, so that is not written. So we can take both. Now how you will write here? Obviously it will be a function always in your exam. Name of the function you collect it from here. Name of the function is not given. Lesson.txt is the name of the text file. So we can write any name here. So I am giving the name as count line or count only, and then I will open the file here. So this you are doing. Now you are opening the file in read mode, lesson.txt. Spelling you take it. If L is capital, you also have to write L capital. If L is small, then you have to write L as small. So spelling you can collect from here, question paper, and so this is your file name. In read mode you are opening it, and then it was lines. For lines what you will use? You will use f.read lines. I am using here, and then one by one line I will take. For line in L is having all the lines one by one. So if line first character means it is a string now, double equals to or in, then capital T and small t, then it was count. So here I require one C count variable. C equals to 0 initially, and here C will be equals to C plus 1 over this F dot close. Clear? Now in this, suppose you want to execute it and you have, I am just copying it from here, actually it was same to write in a file. I will create a new one, lesson.txt. If you want, I can create a new one here. Suppose lesson 1 you can write. Now this is done. Now you are calling this count function. You are calling it here. Now when you will execute this, it is showing counts what happened for line in L. What is the error? Anybody? Object. So I will change the name of object here. Oh, sorry. Read lines will have the parenthesis. Yes. Now it should get executed. Why it is taking so much time? And ideally I will do it. Sometimes this is. So it will show me those lines which are starting with executed, and this was counting of lines, count lines. Now what happened? I haven't used print C. Okay, I haven't used print C in this, so it was my mistake only. I should use the command print C, otherwise it will not show how many lines are there. Total number of lines starting with. Yes, now you can see here as it is continuously keeping adding in that without new line. You haven't used slash in anywhere. New line I haven't used anywhere. So it is showing only one. But if you write here a new line and you start something, there was a state in India. Yes, now we will check out here. After this new line, T is there. So again I will run it, execute it, and I will see yes, 2. Understood now how it is getting executed? So now you can see new line is there where it is starting with T. Suppose any new line, if I start with something else, it will not count. Suppose it is starting with I, it will not count. But any new line which is starting with T, like here, suppose I am giving a new line here and I am giving some starting with T, suppose to the government of, like this. If I, now you can see 1 T starting with, second T, this is I, so it will not count this, and third T, so 3 it should show. Line starting. 4, how it is showing? 4 append. Okay, sorry. Now it is appending it because I have used here append, so it is appending, so it is showing the previous one also. You don't append it, you write it, then it will not show. Now 3, yes, correct. Clear? So if you are appending it, it will take the previous one also. If you are writing it, it will not show the previous one. Now these are your questions. So text file you will get, now binary file you will get, and CSV file questions you will get. Function questions you will get. Function we have already done. To add any element at the end. So any function, write a function to add in a list. List you will get in exam. List and dictionary you will get. So from revision portion. So add an element at the end of the list or at the beginning of the list, delete an element from the end of the list. These type of questions are there. Then factorial, Fibonacci, all this using function, these type of questions are also there. And CSV files and binary files, I will share with you the sample question paper of CBSE. So these type of questions are there, and MCQ as well as the writing part is also there. Any doubt?